there comes a moment in every man's life when he realizes no one's coming to save him, not his friends, not society, and definitely not the world. You look in the mirror and you see a body that doesn't even look like it can protect itself, let alone protect someone else. Weak arms, soft posture, tired eyes, and inside, a mind that second guesses everything. But what if, 60 days from today, you could stand taller, fists tight, shoulders broad, eyes sharp, like someone who doesn't need to be rescued anymore, because you became the one who protects. That's what boxing is, not a sport, a transformation. First, the reason. Boxing isn't about violence, it's about control of your mind, of your body, of your reactions. Because the truth is most people are soft, not just physically, but mentally. They flinch when challenged, they break when criticized, they get loud to hide how weak they feel inside. But a real fighter, he's silent, he doesn't need attention. He walks in a room, and people feel him not because he's loud, but because he's present. You're watching this video because something inside you knows you're not there yet, but you could be. Part 1, the beginning. You won't start in a gym, you'll start in front of a mirror. No gloves, no bag, just your eyes, your breath, and your fists. Every morning, 5 minutes shadowboxing, 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, 2 minutes plank, 10 minutes walk with deep breathing. You don't do this for muscle, you do it to build presence, to look in the mirror and watch yourself sharpen day by day. Most guys will quit in a week because it hurts, because there's no applause, because their ego can't handle starting from zero. But if you stay, you'll notice something on day 15. You start walking slower, you react less, your jaw stays tight, your voice drops slower. People around you start asking, are you training or something? And you just smirk, because you know the answer. Part 2, the shift. Boxing isn't just throwing punches, it's learning how to not throw them. It's patience, reading energy, studying movement. You'll start watching fights, but like a warrior, not a fan. You'll notice footwork, the rhythm, the timing, the pause before the knockout. You'll start recording your own shadowboxing, fixing your stance, correcting your breathing, learning how to move without wasting energy. And suddenly, your body will stop looking like something that needs protecting and start looking like something that protects. Part 3, becoming unshakable. By day 40, you won't care about being liked. You'll stop explaining yourself. You'll stop chasing noise, because you'll have something most men don't: stillness. Real stillness comes when you know you can defend yourself, you can handle pain, you don't need backup. And that stillness, it's more powerful than rage, it's more attractive than six-packs. It's what separates warriors from the rest. Final days 56 to 60. The last 5 days, you go dark. No posting, no updates. Just train, sleep, eat, shadow box, breathe, and watch who you've become. You'll notice your hands don't shake anymore. Your thoughts don't race anymore. And that scared little version of you, he's gone. You're not just boxing now. You've become a fighter, not in the ring but in life. Final words. You started this journey because you felt weak, because you were tired of being scared, because you hated not being able to stand up for yourself. But now, you've built something. Discipline, strength, confidence. This wasn't about becoming the toughest guy in the world. It was about proving to yourself that you'll never be helpless again, because a man who can fight. Like, subscribe, and remember ... You don't need a ring to become a fighter. You just need 60 days, and the decision to never be weak again.